Drone has launched. Oh yeah, that's windy. I'm not gonna lie, that is impressive for how windy that was.
Right? I get a photo of car for you.
Sweet, thanks.
Hey, whoa, wind. Hey, calm down.
So, no, that's the park over there. Ooh, shit, strong winds.
It's windy, bro. Windy. Little drone. Timbit.
Ooh, Timbit?
Timbits? Timbit? Oh, thanks,
like
man.
we use them anyway.
It's a drone. I don't want to hit that post right there. That's the guy I'm worried about. You see that guy right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, he scares me. Oh, same with people's car. I can't hit other people's car. Okay, so.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
I don't even know where it is. It's probably straight up somewhere.
I seen you with the camera. Here, want to see the car? It's pretty good for a tiny little thing, eh? Ooh.
I feel that wind too.
Right?
You can probably hear it on the camera, I bet.
Oh shit. Drone, go back home!
The wind, bro.
Oh, it says strong wind.
Door ajar.
Is it okay if I land on hood?
Oh yeah, that'd be sweet. I'll get footage of it.
Landing.